This is the back end of Excalibur. It's the parking lot there, and then there's a walkway coming over. Valet parking is at the front of the hotel, self-parking is at the back. I think it's $15 a day, but part of the deal that we got, it is free. Oh, and I think our level of our rewards, I think on Pearl, I'll have to double check that, but yeah, it means you get free parking. This is our room, floor 11, room number 130. You walk in. Excuse our stuff. I watched a review a couple of days ago, and he said you can tell these hotel rooms are old because of the light switch. How very true. So you come in, very first thing is your bathroom. Pretty standard. Huge, great vanity. There's me. You've got your little doohickeys. What are they? I was going to say condiments. They're not condiments, are they? You know, toiletries. So we've got some shampoo, some body lotion, some conditioner, some soap, hairdryer, but I have got my own tissues. It's a really low toilet. It's like a kid's toilet, but hey ho. And then standard shower. I do have to say, this room is old. You can tell it's old, but it's clean. So I'm good with that. Considering we got this for absolutely nothing, this I'm guessing is an adjoining room. And then closet. It's got, yeah, luggage tray. Iron and ironing board. Rich will be happy about that. And your safe. Then this is a Royal King, and it's one of the refurbed rooms, so this looks like wallpaper. It's been tidied up a bit. King bed, I have sat on it. It seems to be quite comfy. Full length mirror, hello again. Decent sized TV. These are just drawers. One thing I did find out from watching reviews, there is no mini fridge in these rooms, so Rich has taken our cooler to go and fill it up with ice. Desk. Oh, and there's the ice bucket. That's what we were looking for before. Little corner chair, like a mini chaise. Well, it's got a puffy. AC units here, and then pièce de résistance. You've got to see this view. Look at that. You couldn't ask for anything better, could you? Do you know what? We don't care. We're here for one night only. So yeah, that's the room. View isn't the best, but you know what? We really don't care. We're here for one night only. We're up super, super early tomorrow morning. Just realised how tired I look. I better put some makeup on before dinner. We are up super early in the morning anyway, and we're checking out and heading out, moving to a different hotel. But considering this room was absolutely free. No resort fee, no parking fee, nothing. I am not going to complain. It's clean, the bed seems to be comfy, the toilet flushes, I'm happy. We are Pearl, I think it is, MGM members, which is the next one up from the basic level. And that's all we are, nothing special. I don't know how I got this offer. We could have had up to 4 nights, but we only needed the one, and I believe I've got some free play as well, but we'll go down to the rewards desk and see what free play we've got on there. So I'm going to get off, and we will see you later when we have dinner. One thing I did notice, I was opening the curtains to look at the view, and this is another reason you can tell that it's old, is the blackout curtains are starting to look a little bit scraggly. But again, I'm not overly concerned. Another thing I've noticed is we've got standard light switches in here, plug sockets, but no USBs. I have looked, but I haven't found any. If anyone knows of any that are hiding in these rooms, let me know. I've just had a shower, and There's somebody's really long dark hair. It's definitely not mine, and it wasn't there when I got in the shower, so it must have come off the wall or something. And also, I was looking at the extractor fan. Oh, look at that inside there, isn't that gross? Seriously old. But you know what? Again, I don't care. It's free. Good evening. We are heading out for dinner now. We've got reservations at Lupo by Wolfgang Puck at Mandalay Bay. So what we're actually doing is heading out onto the tram, which is free. Okay. So you literally come out the main entrance and you'll see a signpost. We're actually going to walk around. We're going to walk around this way and we'll end up, you can't really see it, I'll show you, but there's a walkway up there that takes you to the tram. Right, well, I'm really confused because we've just like gone round in a circle. But it looks like instead of coming out of the main lobby area, just go up a level in Excalibur and then turn right. Sorry, I'm doing it backwards. And that will get you to the tram station. So this is actually where you're supposed to come out, and this down here goes under valet parking, and then you come out of there, turn right, and it takes you to the tram station. We're not quite sure how to get there though, but we'll go back that way and see if we can figure it out. So we've got a map of the tram here. I don't know how well that's actually showing up. But those are the hours. It is free, and it goes between Excalibur, the Luxor, and Mandalay Bay, which is what we're going to do now. There are two trams. Tram 1 stops at the Luxor and then at the Mandalay Bay. Tram 2 just takes you directly to Mandalay Bay. Dinner this evening is at Lupo by Wolfgang Puck. We don't normally order starters, but we actually got two today. This one is the Ciabatta with, is that like a garlic olive oil?
It's garlicky.
I'll put something on to say exactly what it is. Our second starter is the Prosciutto and Buratta. I think
Got meat in it.
that's apple. Okay. And then it comes with, I think he said walnut bread, didn't he? It's bread. Again, I will put the description and the price here somewhere. I have to say, this prosciutto with burrata is really nice. And I wasn't sure about the apple. I'm not a red apple lover anyway. But when you put everything together, the flavours just really, really work. You've got the creaminess of the cheese, the saltiness of the ham, the sweetness of the apple. I'm not sure what the dressing is on the arugula, but it's nice. And then you've got the balsamic as well. And of course, my favourite bread. You can't go wrong. But yeah, we're enjoying this. Our main course has arrived. I have the shrimp linguine, which seems to be absolutely drenched in garlic. I'm not complaining. And Rich has the Jidori chicken on a bed of escarole lettuce, which is, it's not snails.
No, thankfully.
It's lettuce. Well, I think I'm just about done with my shrimp linguine. Probably had about 2/3 of it, which isn't bad for me considering we had two starters as well. Probably helped that I haven't really eaten today.
Well, we've had snacks.
We've had snacks, yeah. But not proper food. This is actually the first proper food we've eaten all day. Croissants don't count, do they?
Or
Muffins. Or crisps.
chips.
The garlic flavour in this is insane. I better not breathe on anybody tonight. all joking aside, it was absolutely fantastic. It's just such a great flavour combination. Pasta was cooked perfectly, shrimp is cooked perfectly. Yes, there's an incredible amount of garlic in here, but it's not overpowering. It's just got such a great flavour, you know? When you can smell garlic cooking. That's how it tastes. So, yeah, I'm really, really happy. I had absolutely no idea that entire great big piece of chicken was all chicken. That is the only bone that was in that. And you ate it all.
I soldiered on bravely.
You didn't offer me any.
No, I didn't.
So this is an Espresso Martini. What is it?
Cold coffee in a martini glass. Not what I was expecting, there you go.
I'm not sure Rich is too impressed by that. Is it like a cold brew?
Yeah.
Cold brew in a martini glass. What was that, $16? Something like that?
I think that's coffee beans. I think that's the actual espresso. They just haven't made the espresso bit out of it.
Right, Rich is still trying to get through his cold coffee. My lemon tart, it smells warm actually. It's a lemon tart.
That's lime.
That's a lime gelato. Ooh, squishy.
What's inside it?
I think that's the lemon.
Well, cut it open, young fella. I'd be shivering in it for you.
Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah, that's the lemon tart. And
So what's that then?
like that's melted marshmallow. Well, that's stuck to the plate. Oh well, we're going to try this and see what it's like. So what do you think of the lemon tart, Rich?
Highly recommended if you like lemon. It's made my eyes water. It's that lemony. Good lord. Should come with a health warning, for God's sake.
Yeah, but you're still eating it.
It's vitamin C. It's apparently good for you. I'm helping you out. Ugh.
You can have your espresso martini.
My eyes have gone blurry. It's all like fuzzy. God, that's lemony. That is really lemony.
You can wash it down with some cold coffee.
Alright, bring it back neutral now. I'm neutral.
I don't know if you've gathered yet, but the lemon tart tastes incredibly lemony. I'm not quite sure what we were expecting.
Is it like them sour
Like
things?
the inside, yeah, Sour Patch Kids. The inside, sorry, I'm a bit close. The inside is like all, I'm going to say loose. Loose is
It's liquid lemon, basically. It's like lemon juice.
Liquid lemon. So yeah, what Rich said is, well, I kind of said it's like deconstructed lemon meringue pie, but I've never had lemon meringue pie like that. It's deconstructed lemon.
Yeah. Well, I tried it.
You did really well. You went back for about 4.
I had to confirm that it was that lemony.
Sucking on a lemon is easier than this.
It actually is.
I don't know how well you can see this. I just wanted to show you a map
Oh, that's the food court.
of the actual hotel. We were in the Royal Tower. This side, I believe. This is where we were picked up for our trip. And then this is also the way that you come in for self-parking. We left our bags with Bell Services this morning. They give you a ticket, and then there's a machine. You put your name in, you scan your ticket to get your bags back, and they say it'll take about 10 minutes. It actually gives you the option of where you want your bags delivered to. So they don't actually have to be delivered to the Bell desk, which means we're going to the rotunda, which is where self-parking, the access to self-parking is, to pick up our bags. So we don't have to haul them through the casino. So that's a good tip. It gives you about 6 different options, which is fantastic. Really, really convenient. Yeah, so far we have been impressed with the Excalibur, definitely. Well, we are done at Excalibur. Couldn't film the pool because you need your room key and we've already checked out, which is unfortunate. But I'm sure there's plenty of videos online with the pool. Much better than we expected, to be perfectly honest. What I would recommend you do, if you do stay here, any of the MGM resorts, check in online. There's a big queue at the moment. I don't know whether it's people checking out or checking in at the check-in desk. We just checked in online. We were told what our room was. Your key is digital on your phone, and you just go straight up to your room. I like in the elevators that you need your room key to be able to get to your floor. It won't let you press any other floor, just your floor. So security-wise, you know, that's good. The bed was comfortable enough. Room did smell a bit musty this morning. They're definitely old, but you know what? I think this is pretty good value for money. I've heard a lot of awful things about this hotel. I was a bit concerned, but we had no problems. It hasn't been too smoky, and you know, I think we'd stay here again, especially if it was nothing. We paid nothing, no resort fees or anything, and that was with the rewards. We're Pearl level, so if that means anything. Yeah. Anyway, that was Excalibur.